today's video, I will be talking about CELPIP Speaking Task 2. That is talking about your personal experience. So what is special about this video is I have taken 3 different questions and I'm going to answer these three questions by using just one simple answer. So this thing will help you to generate ideas and using the same idea in different situations, so you will never run out of ideas. And more than that, I have used 24 advanced vocabulary words for this simple answer. This thing gain will help you to learn the vocabulary and to use these advanced vocabulary words in your speaking in new topics. Okay, so let's start with it. So the first topic is talk about a childhood memory. So you can talk about a birthday party, any picnic or visit to a zoo. The follow-up questions are what happened, who were there with you, and how did you feel. Okay, so whenever you get task 2 topic, they will always give you these bullet points and it is compulsory for you to talk about it. So the topic here is childhood memory. Second is a memorable gift you received. So when did you receive, who gave it to you, and how did you feel about it. And the third one is something you wanted to have for a long time and you finally got it. So what was the item, when did you receive it, and how was your experience. So these are the 3 questions, and now let's talk about one single simple answer that will help you not only these 3. In fact, if you get any other topic, you can think, can I use the same idea there, and you can use. Okay, so how we'll start it. On my 10th birthday, my parents surprised me with the most memorable party ever. Instead of memorable, you can say unforgettable. When I came home from school, everyone shouted, "Surprise!" And I was completely delighted or happy. So instead of happy, you would say delighted, and instead of memorable, unforgettable. The room was decorated with vibrant balloons. So you can say vibrant or you can say colorful. So colorful is a simple word and vibrant is an advanced vocabulary word. Festive streamers and a large banner that proclaimed happy birthday in bold letters. Okay, so now you can use either the words which are highlighted in this text like purple color or the one which are there in the bracket. So the bracket one are the simpler word and whatever are the highlighted are the advanced vocabulary words. Then I saw a big table filled with many presents or laden with numerous presents, but one stood out, a large box wrapped in shiny paper and a big elegant bow on top. So this is a gift wrap, a gift with wrapper. I wondered what it could be. After we engaged in or after we played fun games. So engaged in or we played lively games, savored yummy delectable cake. Instead of delicious, you can say delectable, palatable, tempting, and laughed together. It was time to open the gifts. Okay, so this is how, and then we'll talk further. When I tore open the wrapping of the biggest box, I couldn't believe my eyes. It was a brand new shiny bicycle. So instead of shiny, I can say a sleek bicycle. It had a streamlined frame, vibrant colors, and a shiny, melodious ringing bell that rang out when I moved it. I was absolutely thrilled. I was completely thrilled. Riding the bike for the first time felt exhilarating, amazing, or exhilarating. I felt euphoric. Euphoric means when you're extremely happy, you would say euphoric, delighted, cheerful, over the moon, on the cloud nine, and liberated. Liberated is free, like I could go anywhere. My friends and family cheered me on as I rode around the neighborhood. It was the most incredible or the best birthday gift ever, and I'll always treasure that special day, and I'll always remember that special day. Finally, I would say, like my parents had meticulously or carefully planned the perfect surprise, and I was very grateful for their love and thoughtful consideration. It was a birthday I would never forget. Okay, so this is the sample answer, wherein if you see, I have used advanced vocabulary words, and all these advanced vocabulary words are highlighted in this purple color. That will help you to learn those vocabulary words, that will help you to prepare this question sample answer and get ready for your speaking exam. So what you can do, you can prepare this topic, you can record your voice into your own mobile recorder, you can listen to it, then you can learn these vocabulary words and start adding. So this will help you to improve your score to 9, 10, 11 or 12. Okay, I hope you like this video. So keep loving, keep learning. All the best.